Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the fourth video in this series, and from this one, I'm gonna talk about projects on Solana ecosystem and some potential airdrop opportunities in the future. Before we start, please keep in mind that everything said today is not a financial advice. Please do your own research. Okay, now let's begin. The project I'm gonna talk about today is called Sanctum, this one. Sanctum is a liquidity staking protocol on Solana. So usually if you stake some tokens, those tokens will be locked until you redeem them. But on Sanctum, you are able to stake your SOL to earn staking rewards, but still have the liquidity on your asset. And one key difference between Sanctum and some other traditional RST protocol is that on Sanctum, it supports a lot of different types of staking, which provides you a more flexible and customized options. Early this week, Sanctum teams just announced their token economics, and there's almost a guarantee of airdrops in the future. So I think this opportunity is definitely worth a try. I'm not gonna talk about too much background about this project, so there's a quick guidance I found on the Medium as well. I will put the link under my video. So I'm just gonna show you how to play with this. So now let's begin. The launched app here, and I will connect to my wallet. So I'm using the Solflare wallet. Okay, now I connected to my wallet. So on the first page, you can see it allows us to convert some SOL to a coin called Infinity. This Infinity is the most popular choice on Sanctum, and we can see currently the annual return is about 8.68%, and we can see that there are already more than 2.5 million SOL staked here. So now let's try to stake. I just want to stake a very small amount here. Let's try 0.3 SOL. So I just want to deposit this into the Infinity pool. Okay, now I finished my first step. So I staked 0.3 SOL into this Infinity. Now in this LST tab, we can see there are actually a bunch of different choices you can do. You can select, for example, this Infinity is the one we just picked. There's also a Bonk SOL, which is supported by the Bonk community, and like some Clock SOL, Compass SOL, or different kind of stuff. So there are, I think there's like 30 different choices here. But I personally would suggest you choose those with the Sanctum LST labels, because I think it's more safer. So you can see different choices actually have different annual returns, and so you can customize your choice based on like whatever you want. Maybe you can think about, like, for example, this Bonk SOL, maybe it has a little bit lower return for now, but maybe in the future the Bonk team will do extra airdrop on whoever hold this one. So maybe a better strategy is to hold each of them a little bit. Now the potential airdrop opportunities comes from this Wonderland system. So let's open this one. So before we join, if this is the first time to enter Wonderland, it's gonna ask you for a referral code. If you don't have one, you can just jump, but if you have one, I suggest to use the referral code because it will boost your points somewhere in the future. So I have my referral code. You can feel free to use my code. I will also put my code under the video. So I have this code, and I'm gonna join now. Okay, this tells you how to play with it, but let's just continue here and let's go. So what is this Wonderland? It's actually a points system. So on the upper right corner, you can see the current points you have. Well, I don't have any points right now because I just joined it. And how you earn points. And here you can see that in this system, we have several pets. And here it says that you can own a pet by holding its corresponding liquidity staking token, and you will earn experience to level up your pets. So this experience, this EXP, is actually your points. And so for example, this Bonksy, you need to hold BonkSo in your wallet. And I already hold my Infinite so actually I'm holding this one right now. So please notice that this is not an NFT, so you will not see your pet in this wallet. So if you want to check the status about this pet, you have to go into this Wonderland. Now here you can see the rule for getting points. So first, to get these points, you need to hold at least 0.1 Infinity in your wallet, or you can hold your Infinity but you can deposit to some other like protocols, for example those ones. So how to earn the points? The first one is you can just hold your Infinity in your wallet. You will earn 10 points per minute for every 1 SOL worth of Infinity that you hold. Or you can stake your Infinity into these protocols and you will earn the same points. So I suggest if you understand all those protocols, you can try to stake some of your Infinity into those protocols, because there will be some potential airdrops in the future from those protocols. So that's something I would recommend. But if you don't know, for example, if you don't know what this Armada or this Camino is, you can just put your Infinity in your wallet. So there are 18 paths for now. So you actually, if you want to hold all of them, you need to have 0.1 RST tokens for each one. But for now, I would suggest you put more money in this Infinity one, because this currently this Infinity is heavily promoted by the Sanctum team, and there are some community activities about this which could boost your points based on Infinity. So I would suggest you put more your money in this one. Let's try to refresh it to see if I can get the points right now. Okay, this is a little bit slow. It says the data updates may be a little bit late. So after you hold your tokens, you can try to come back and check later to see if you actually got the pets and if you can see your points is growing. That's pretty much you can do for now. After you hold those tokens, you have those pets, you can just see your points growing, and we can wait for the airdrop from the team. So that's basically it. Okay, that's pretty much about this video. If you find it interesting and helpful, please subscribe and follow me. Let's explore this fascinating Web3 world together. I'll see you in the next one.